Welcome back. Today's video is going to be a kind of different series that I'm starting on my channel where I go and declutter my entire makeup collection. So if you don't know, hey, my name's Adrika. I upload 3 times a week on this YouTube channel, so tune in every Sunday, Tuesday, and Thursday if you want to see my face on your screen. So I am going to be going through pretty much all of my makeup, decluttering everything, so this is the same intro that you're going to see for pretty much all of them. It's always good to go through your makeup collection, get rid of any expired makeup, get rid of makeup that you're not using, give it to a home that will use it way more. So all the expired makeup I am chucking straight in the bin, but the not expired makeup, stuff that I'm just not quite that into, I will be donating or giving to friends and family, all that business. They are not going straight in the garbage. That is so wasteful. I'm sure someone could use it somewhere. Any links that you're gonna need, I will be linking them all down below, so definitely check it out. If you like anything that you see here, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like and comment on this video, and don't forget to hit the bell notification so you won't miss any of my uploads. So without further ado, if you want to see me declutter blank, insert whatever I'm decluttering today, then just keep on watching. And now this is the last portion of my makeup collection. This is just kind of like a miscellaneous drawer. I don't really know what to label this. This is just all of the extra makeup that doesn't know where to go. So yeah, let's go through this. This is probably stuff that I actually will declutter because I just don't know what to do with this stuff. So first off, I actually tried this foundation the other day and she was cute. If you're looking for like a natural, dewy, radiant, glowy type of look, this e.l.f. Flawless Finish foundation, she's gorgeous. I have it in 2 shades. Tell me why I got the shade Porcelain. Like, who did I think I was? In my defense, it is much lighter than what it looks like right now. But I can use this to lighten up anything if I really needed to and make it a little bit more dewy. I don't mind having both shades of these foundations, but this is quite gorgeous on the skin. And I know that I also have 2 of these Wet n Wild foundations. I have not used this foundation in a hot minute. This is in soft beige and this one's in desert beige. I don't remember how much I liked it. I remember it being a little bit heavy and a little bit cakey looking. I wonder if I can finagle this now. So we're actually gonna keep her and maybe do a tutorial. All right, this stuff is overflowing, so like let me get ready. Let's see. This is the Tarte Ready Set Radiant Skin Mist. I definitely got this as a little sample and I definitely want to use it more because I have been more into that radiant, dewy look lately. This is one of my favorite primers. It just found a home here because there's nowhere else for it to go. So this is the Angel Veil from NYX. This is a great primer. This is also a pretty good primer from Wet n Wild, the Photo Focus Face Primer. This makes you really matte. So for certain foundations, like more dewy, hydrating foundations, this would be great to have. This I have not used in a hot minute. I don't think Flower even makes this anymore. This is their, what is this? BC one. This is just a pen concealer they have. I don't know. Whoa, there is still product in there, but it's like dried out. I'm going to chuck this because I think this is like way too old and ew. So I'm gonna get rid of this. I also have this L'Oreal True Match corrector, and if you didn't know, I am cruelty free, so I am going to get rid of this. But even when I wasn't, the strangest thing about this concealer was that it had little like shimmer in it, like glitter, and I was so insanely confused as to why it had that. So I am going to pass this on. So this is the e.l.f. bronzer palette in Bronze Beauty. These are just not calling my name. I thought it would look completely different when I bought it, but I don't mind adding a little bit of shimmer onto my face now that I have much less acne. And so I do want to play around with this palette more. I am going to be keeping this. This Kat Von D Shade and Light Contour palette used to reside in my everyday makeup thing, but I swapped her out for some new products because I wanted to try out some new products. And also Kat Von D has been an iffy brand owner for me lately, so we will put her in here just so I can test out some different products, because I just kept using this over and over again. And I wanted to add some variety to my channel. My Catrice Prime and Fine Anti-Shine Base is a great primer. I don't know how it ended up back here, but it did, and we're gonna put her back up where she belongs. This is my most expensive foundation to date, the Marc Jacobs, and it has completely separated. Hold on, let me shake her up. She's only like a year old, okay? She is extreme full coverage heavy cake face, so if that's what you're into, this is the foundation for you. I have not tested her out in a while because I have been liking more of a fresh faced look, but I am going to maybe put her in a tutorial. I'm definitely keeping her. Holy crap, I spent way too much money to not. This NYX Tea Tree Balance Skin Elixir, I don't even know what this is. Skin Serum and Primer. Okay, let's see what you feel. Oh, you're goopy. You are goopy. Ooh. Oh, you feel kind of good. Oh my god, why are you overflowing though? Oh my god! It's like one of those that just keeps coming out. Okay. It does sink right into the skin. It gives a very silicone-y feeling. I'm gonna give this away to someone because I just have a lot of primers and this is not something that is wowing me, so she will go. This foundation, no matter what I do, I cannot get this Milani foundation to work for me. This just likes to separate on my face instantaneously, and it's the oddest separation ever. It'll separate into like little holes all over my face, and I don't know what to do because I've actually used up quite a bit of it, but like, oh my god, even when I mix it into products, it's just, and I don't want to give up on her because she's so good. She's so full coverage. She's like a thick, full cake face mess, but like I love her because of that, but she just doesn't work for me. I am going to give her a few more tries though. I am actually going to put my mind to it and actually find a way to make this work, and if it doesn't work after that, she's gonna get decluttered. I am going to declutter this. I've had this for so long now, the Infallible Pro Matte foundation from L'Oreal. This is not my shade and it hasn't been my shade for a while, so I am actually just going to declutter this straight away. And also this Maybelline Fit Me foundation, I'm also going to declutter this. I thought that I would be like using it up, but I have just so much makeup and so much cruelty-free makeup that I would just rather give this to someone who wants it. So more foundation. There's just so much foundation here. This is the Kat Von D Lock-It foundation. This is so heavy and cakey, but I want to try mixing this in with other products because she is really heavy on the face, and I want to maybe mix it in with the e.l.f. foundation. Okay, just fall. I want to mix it in with the e.l.f. foundation just so everything can look maybe a little bit dewier, a little bit healthier. We'll see. I love mixing foundations, so I am going to keep her for that purpose, and she is a pretty penny, so I want to get my money's use out of her. This NYX Dark Circle Concealer, I don't think I've used in a while, and it feels pretty dry. Yeah, this was supposed to be like a salmon under eye corrector, but like, no bro. It's way too dry now. It's completely dried out, so I'm going to chuck her. So I have a Urban Decay All-Nighter little sample size that I still need to try out. It's just been in here and I haven't been using it, so I definitely want to try this out because everybody raves about this one. This Wet n Wild Photo Focus Primer Water is just, it's just okay. Like, it's not the best. Like, if I can like show you guys the spray, like, it's a pretty good spray, but like, it doesn't do anything for my makeup, and it kind of burns because it smells like alcohol. But it's great for kind of wetting your eyeshadows or anything of that sort, so that's what I keep it for, because it's like almost done, so I might as well just finish it up. But this is the Hard Candy Sheer and Be Stick It to Pores Primer. I've only used this a few times. I remember using it in like a first impressions video and being like, whoa, it actually did something for my pores. It is kind of supposed to be like a Milk Makeup Blur Stick, but it is just pure silicone. I will actually keep her because I want to use it in like a decluttering tutorial, so we're gonna keep her. This foundation I haven't even once tried, so I think I should give it a go. This is the Ulta Double Duty Primer and Foundation in Nude Beige. I have literally never used this, and I think I should. I think I really should. So I'm gonna maybe save that for a video. This is my Holy Grail foundation that I kept in the back here because you could not find this because Fiona Styles was taking out of Ulta, and I bought this right when they were leaving Ulta and it was on sale for like $7.50, and this is the best foundation ever. I love her. She is so good, so just medium to full coverage, so beautiful on the skin. I need to test her out again because it's been months since I've used her, just because I don't want you guys, you know, seeing a foundation or a discontinued product that you can't even buy anymore. But guess what? Fiona Styles is now back online to shop again, so she is going to be right up here with the rest of her clan, and it's gonna be Gucci. And I hate this damn, that is everything. I think I only got rid of a few stuff. I feel like I should have gotten rid of more to be honest with you, but I did get rid of more stuff in other parts of my collection. I just really love complexion products, which is mainly what this is. That pretty much wraps up my entire decluttering series. I don't have any more makeup to go through and declutter. All the makeup in there is stuff that I use constantly, so I'm not even gonna touch that, but that was all. Oh, I didn't even talk about this one actually, the Flower BB Cream. I'm sorry, my cat is using the litter box, so if you hear that, I am deeply apologetic about that. But this Flower Beauty BB Cream, I remember being really quite good, and I don't remember, I think it was Nicole Renee who raved about this, so I actually want to use this in a decluttering tutorial again. So keep an eye out for that, but she is actually going to stay right in there. So look at that, this was completely filled and now it's actually half. So I think we did some progress. So that wraps up my video, guys, on this blank declutter. This is going to be the same outro that you're going to see for each video, so it's just easier for me to edit, go through footage and all of that business. So any links that you're going to need, it'll all be linked down below, so definitely check it out. If you like anything that you see here, please make sure to subscribe to this channel, like and comment on this video, and don't forget to hit the bell notification so you won't miss any of my uploads. I do upload every Sunday, Tuesday, and Thursday, so definitely tune in on those days if you want to see more content from me. I hope you enjoyed this video, and thanks so much for watching. Bye!